last question from electrical machines in this GATE 2024 electrical engineering paper. क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 का मास्टर क्वेश्चन पेपर। इसमें नंबर क्वेश्चन है ये, डीसी शंट मोटर दिया हुआ है, इसका रेटिंग्स है 5 किलोवाट, ओके, 220 वोल्ट, right, is given. Armature resistance is given as including the brush drop and everything, 0.5 ohm, and I no load is given as 3 ampere, I field current is given as 1 ampere. It is given core losses and rotational losses are constant, and on the field current is also constant. Okay, core loss is constant means field current constant, and rotational loss is constant means rotational loss constant. So let's go to solution. It's very simple, pretty simple. At no load, we have to find the armature current, and that will supply the rotational losses at no load. No load में armature current जो होगा वही rotational loss supply करेगा. तो armature current at no load हो जाएगा क्या? Line current at no load minus field current 3 minus 1 तो 2 ampere. तो फिर रोटेशन क्या हो जाएगा? नो लोड पे जो लॉस होगा रोटेशनल लॉस होगा, क्योंकि नो लोड पे कोई पावर लोड को सप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है, तो जो पावर डिलीवर सप्लाई करेगा जनरेट करेगा वो पूरा लॉस में चला जाएगा, रोटेशनल लॉस में. तो फिर रोटेशनल विल बी नो लोड इक्वल टू V minus IA no load RA into IA no load. So what will be 220 minus 2 into 0.5 into 2, simply 438, 290 into 2, 438 watt. Okay, rating is 5 kilowatt, so it has to supply an additional 438 watt when it supplies the load. Okay, so writing the power equation for the load at the output, so it will be EB into IA equal to EB into IA equal to P rotational, since it is constant, plus P rated. So EB is what? V minus IRA into IA equal to P rotational is what? 438 plus 5K. So V is how much? 220 minus IA, let's keep it as IA, and RA is how much? 0.5. 0.5 IA and IA equal to 5438. Solve the quadratic in IA. Two values will come. It is written in the question for best current drawn by the motor for best possible efficiency. Now the best possible efficiency, what is very catchy here? There are actually two values of current which will deliver the same value of power. One will be higher value, one will be lower value. If you solve this quadratic, you will get something like that. Okay. So the lower value of current will be, to solve this, 26.3. The higher value will be, I think, 440 minus this value. The sum will be 220 by 2.5, 440. Okay. So another value may be, I think, 413 something. This value of current actually will also give the same value of, power output. That is why both are the solutions and both are correct also. If you put this value also, you get IEB or back EMF as positive only. You can check by substituting. Okay, right. But in the question, it is clearly mentioned that best possible efficiency. Best possible efficiency is to be used here. Best possible efficiency means the power loss will be minimum. So power loss will be minimum. Power loss in this case is I square RA loss in the armature copper loss. So that will happen only if current is 26.3 ampere. Okay. Now the current, it is as current drawn by the motor. Current drawn by the motor will be what? I line current or IL will be field current, which is constant at 1 ampere, plus armature current, so 1 plus 26.3, that will give 27.3 ampere, and that is the answer. Answer is 27.3. Those are 2 marks, and you will answer the question. So I think that answers all the questions, and I have tried to cover all the critical points and shortcut approaches also in some of the questions which I could figure out, जो मुझे देख के समझ में आया, मैंने कोशिश किया शेयर करने का. अच्छे से देखिए वीडियो, कुछ अगर डाउट्स हो तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर पूछिएगा. आशा करूँगा, कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं उसको आंसर कर पाऊँ, और अच्छा लगे तो थोड़ा लाइक शेयर भी कीजिएगा इसमें, ताकि सबको फ़ायदा हो. थैंक यू.